Hi everyone, and welcome back to the AgenticFlow channel. In this episode, we are using Ishi together with the AgenticFlow CLI to build a meeting action tracker pack in just a couple of minutes. So let me set the scene. We have all sat in the meeting where real decisions got made and clear owners were named and firm dates were agreed. And then a week later, so we are back with Codex. Nothing happened because the notes were a wall of text nobody turned into tasks. The information was all there, it just never got structured. So we are back with Code 2, this blueprints messy meeting notes and turns them into a tracker you can actually act on. Here you can see the prompt we are giving to Ishi. We ask the AgenticFlow CLI to deploy the meeting action tracker pack blueprint, and we hand it the notes from a single meeting, a renewal risk review. So we in those notes, a key account is at risk because an SO migration delayed the admin rollout. So we are back with one engineer will ship an SSO audit fix by a certain date. Someone in customer success will prepare customer communications by another date. And sales needs a pricing exception approved before a third date. There is also an open question about whether finance will accept a phased renewal. We are back with code. It is exactly the kind of dense, high stakes note that is easy to write and hard to follow up on. Then we give it the tracker rules. We are back where we ask it extract an executive summary, the decisions, the action items with their owners, its aims and due dates of the open questions. Allo in a follow-up note, with codex so and we are explicit about a boundary. It must not claim that any Notion, Slack, email, or a calendar update actually occurred. It is organizing the meeting, not pretending to act on it. We are back when run it, when we issues the prompt, deploys the workflow on AgenticFlow on and runs it once. Let me walk through what comes back. So we are back a crisp executive summary, the whole meeting in a few lines, then the decisions that were actually made. And next, the part that matters most. And we are back with an action item table where every task is paired with its owner and its due date, so there is no ambiguity about who does what by when. We are back with after that the risks and the open questions are pulled out and stated plainly, including that unresolved question about the phased renewal. And finally and follow-up note draft ready to adapt and send to the room. Notice the transformation here. So when that you start with a paragraph of notes and you end with a structured plan, owners, dates, risks, and next steps all separated out. A Afrikaner too, that is the difference between a meeting that produces talk and a meeting that produces action. Today, to use this yourself, you will first need the AgenticFlow CLI installed. Our earlier videos walk through the setup if you have not done it yet. And while we are using Ishi in this episode, the exact same prompt works in Claude Codex, or other coding agents, so use whichever you prefer. Adel, the one nice detail, the blueprint prioritizes AgenticFlow's built-in nodes, so it only consumes AgenticFlow credits when it runs. Also, once it is finished, we can then jump over to AgenticFlow and review the entire workflow visually, confirming every step was built correctly. And back you can see exactly how the raw notes flow through each node to produce the tracker. Here is why this matters at scale. That code and tracking one meeting is helpful. It's without codex that would turn that to workflow that's every meeting into the same structured tracker means follow through stops depending on whoever happened to take good notes. And so then I made those owners and dates get captured every time and the open questions stop quietly disappearing. So so I would really encourage you to try this with your own meeting notes and your own tracker rules. So with that perspective, we tune what it extracts, adjust the follow-up tone, and make it match how your team actually runs. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more, and we will see you in the next one.